First on the list is the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. A modern classic cruiser with timeless looks and a bulletproof engine. The Meteor 350 is simple, easy to maintain and built for long journeys. Its reliability and low running costs make it a favorite among budget-minded riders. Next is the Yamaha XSR700, inspired by retro styling, but powered by Yamaha's proven CP2 engine. The XSR700 is not only stylish, but also incredibly durable. This engine has earned a reputation worldwide for running hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. At number 3, the Kawasaki Z650 RS, a retro version of the popular Z650. It carries the same trusted parallel twin engine. Riders love it for its balanced performance, easy handling, and proven dependability. A bike that brings both fun and confidence every ride. Fourth, we have the Yamaha MT-07, perhaps the most famous middleweight naked bike in the world. Its CP2 engine is legendary for reliability. The MT-07 is affordable, fun, and tough, making it a bike you can thrash daily without worrying about breakdowns. Next is the Royal Enfield Classic 350, a motorcycle that honors tradition while delivering everyday usability. This machine is known for being simple, rugged, and dependable. Its charm is matched by reliability, making it a perfect budget bike for years of riding. At number 6, we have the Honda Rebel 500. Honda is already known for bulletproof engineering, and the Rebel is no exception. This cruiser is beginner-friendly, cheap to maintain, and built to last. Many riders have put tens of thousands of miles on it with no major issues. Finally, the Suzuki SV650. A true legend in the motorcycle world. Known for its torquey V-twin engine and rock-solid reliability, it has been the choice of new and experienced riders alike for decades. Affordable, versatile, and nearly indestructible.